If you're someone who finds baking bread challenging and is on the lookout for a solution, you're in the right place. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the top 5 stand mixers under $200 that can truly revolutionize your bread baking experience. Join me as we explore these fantastic stand mixers together. Let's kick off our list with the Kitchen in the Box 3.2 QT Small Electric Food Mixer. Introducing our Kitchen in the Box 3.2 QT Small Electric Food Mixer, a compact and lightweight solution for your culinary needs. With its sleek design and multiple color options, it's perfect for small kitchens or limited storage spaces. The 3.2 QT capacity stainless steel bowl and tilt head design make operation and cleanup a breeze. Equipped with 6 speeds and 4 anti-slip suckers, it's versatile and stable for all your mixing tasks. Plus, with upgraded attachments and excellent support. Next up, we have the AUMATE 6.5 QT660W Stand Mixer. Introducing the AUMATE 6.5 QT660W Stand Mixer, your ultimate kitchen companion for effortless mixing. Powered by a robust 660W motor and equipped with intelligent overheating protection, it ensures thorough mixing while prioritizing safety. With 6 optimized speeds and a 6.5 QT stainless steel bowl, it handles everything from dough to meringues with ease. The tilt head design and anti-slip stable base offer convenience and stability, enhancing your baking experience. Plus, it comes with top-quality attachments and a stylish purple design. Now, let's take a look at the VIVOHOME 7.5 Quart Stand Mixer. Introducing the VIVOHOME 7.5 Quart Stand Mixer, a powerful 660W motor ensures quick and thorough mixing, while the 6-speed control caters to all recipe needs. The sturdy 7.5 QT stainless steel bowl is safe and durable, accompanied by 3 versatile attachments for diverse culinary tasks. The tilt head design allows easy access, and the transparent shield aids in monitoring. A perfect gift for any occasion, this mixer saves time and serves as a valuable kitchen companion. Moving on, we have the Mini Angels Stand Mixer. Introducing the Mini Angels Stand Mixer, your time-saving kitchen assistant for a variety of culinary tasks. With its upgraded DC motor system and 10-speed control, it ensures stable operation and thorough mixing. Equipped with 3+1 attachments, cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick coating. The tilt head design and anti-slip base prioritize safety and stability. An ideal gift with 24/7 customer service and lifetime technical support. The last one of our list is COOKLEE Stand Mixer. Introducing the COOKLEE Stand Mixer, a powerful 9.5 quart capacity mixer with 660W motor and 10 speeds for versatile mixing. Equipped with essential attachments and a pouring shield, it simplifies your kitchen tasks. Its stylish design blends classical and modern elements, complementing any kitchen decor. All attachments are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. COOKLEE is an ISO-certified manufacturer, ensuring quality and reliability. Enjoy 24/7 customer support and lifelong assistance for a worry-free experience. We've reached the end of this video, and we hope you've enjoyed learning about these incredible stand mixers to make your baking to next level. Please hit that like button and subscribe to get notified for more videos. Thank you for watching.